They never had a pretty girl from Joburg. See me now, and that's what they prefer.
Hey guys, hey, so I'm Debu and I'm back again with another apartment hunting video. So guys, we are apartment hunting again. So I'm looking for a place again in Sandton, and this time I'm looking for a 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom. No longer looking for bachelors because yeah, we're done with that. Okay. We are literally, yeah, okay, so we are literally moving up this time, and I'm looking for a 1-bedroom. And on my wish list, of course, is a free gym because I'm a gym bunny. Okay, I really go to the gym a lot. I really need a free gym. I can't be paying extras just to go to the gym. Okay, free gym is definitely number one. Number two is uncapped Wi-Fi because I work from home, and yeah, I need uncapped Wi-Fi because I mean, guys, like, these are the conveniences we shouldn't be paying for, honestly. And then number three would be a place that's close to the Gautrain station because I use the Gautrain a lot to get to work and also to just commute because I don't have a car. So yeah, and then yeah, I think that's like the most important things for me right now. And yeah, what I've noticed with these Africa's properties, I'm someone who loves Africa's because that's what I know, and I've been with them for almost, this will be like my fourth year now. Yeah, and I feel like they're just professional, and it's a professional management, and I haven't had problems with them except for like the heated pumps issue where like things fluctuate, but I guess that's on me because they charge you based on what you use. But there are just times where I just feel like, guys, I live alone. How is it that my heated pumps can go up to 1,000? It's just so crazy to me at times. But I mean, yeah, it is what it is. So other than that, I'm really happy with the service that I get with Africa's properties. So I will stick to Africa's properties. If you are interested and you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer your questions. By the way, this is not sponsored in any shape or form. I'm just sharing with you guys my journey of apartment hunting. So let's go and check out these places. I'm so excited.
Now you come into my yard, calling back. When you see me on the edge, and all. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. Yeah. I won't beg for you. You made me wanna go to the blue, just to put it down on you. You made me wanna be there, all of those things. Go, baby. Made me wanna be that. You know what the things that we did. You did so, baby. I'm feeling shit. You made me wanna go to just to put it down on you. You made me wanna be all of the things that you made me with. You made me wanna go to just to put it down on you. You made me wanna be all of the things that you made me with. You made me wanna
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg. See me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around